Hey guys, it's March, and as promised, we have new products and we have Verus Wing. First up, we have the only Paragon Performance product this month, and it is a team up with Unibody and ourselves. It is a 5VM style rocker extension. Now it's a small rocker extension. It does not go the whole length. It's gonna give you that 5VM styling towards the rear corner. It does install with the 2 OEM bolt holes, and then the rest of it is gonna be 3M VHB tape, so very high bond. Really easy to install, no drilling, and right now there's nothing else on the market that looks like it, so you'll definitely stand out from everybody else at the car shows or online in the photo shoots. So take a look at those and grab a set, as we have 15 in stock right now, and we don't expect any more till May. First up on the 3 parts of the Verus kit we're gonna talk about today is the wing. So the wing has been the most highly anticipated one. We have 10 available, 5 are pre-sold, so that means there's only 5 left, and it'll be a while before we get some more. So if you got a track car, be sure to grab one now before it's too late. This wing does provide real downforce. You can check our website for more information on that. It was designed in CFD, tested by scanning the car, making sure it works with the rear diffuser, the barge boards, the splitter, the canards, all that stuff. This is a true track package for a track enthusiast on the C8. Another thing to note with this wing is if you have a Z51 wing or a high wing, you're gonna need something to cover those OEM holes. So Verus has also designed a solution for that with a very subtle ducktail that is designed to assist that rear wing that they've also designed. That is going through some refinement. As far as fitment goes, we want to make sure that's 100% before releasing that. We expect that to probably be done in 60 to 90 days. So if you get a wing now, just know that is coming, and you'll be able to have a ducktail there that does help the wing and covers those holes. Moving to the front of the car, we have the Verus splitter. There are 2 options for this splitter. There's one that is a carbon fiber air dam, which is going to be kind of like a lip, but obviously not in this case. It's going to be an air dam that works with the splitter. And then we have a metal version. The metal version is going to be really good for the guys that like to bang off the curbs and do those things, where the carbon fiber version is for somebody that's maybe a little more subtle or wants to add some car show points with their Aero kit as well. Both are available. The carbon fiber is in super limited quantities right now. We are working to get more of those made. Be sure to check that out. If you have any questions on ETAs, you can email in on that. But it does provide, again, real downforce. It's super strong. You can do this, you can stand on it. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you can get that in the camera, but it's chassis mounted. There's nothing else like that on the market. So track guys are gonna love that. Last up is the side splitters or barge boards. Basically an Aero item. It's there to refine the airflow on the side of the car. You can see that there. It's a very simple item. It's cut out of carbon fiber poly weave. Again, this is not really a car show piece, much like the part of the splitter. They're meant to be able to take some abrasion, you know, whether it's curbs or whatever, and be replaceable. So if you're looking for a car show piece, it's not quite it, but it still does. In my opinion, it looks beautiful. I like the race aesthetics part of it. Really good item to finish out the kit. So that's the 3-piece Verus kit. Again, remember that this whole kit has different stages. There's Aventus 1 and Aventus 2. The other parts of the kit are going to be the front canards, which we did get some people who are like, oh, those canards are way too big. They don't look awful. They can't do anything. And then the Z06 launches, and they have bigger canards on the front of the car. So to tell us that GM didn't release a car with canards, well, we've proven that obviously GM wants them if they're going to put them on the Z06. So they do have function. And then we have the rear diffuser that, again, works in combination with all the other parts of the kit. So if you're a track guy, car show guy, autocross, this kit is what you need to make your car go faster. Now that we're done with all the Verus stuff, the track-oriented stuff, we're gonna move to some aesthetics that are more car show or just cosmetic related. APR has released a few more items from them. So we have a full rear diffuser from them. It's gonna pop off your OEM rear diffuser that's painted either carbon flash usually, what those are painted. So you pop that off, you're gonna put that in place. The other item is gonna be the front bumper. There is a portion where that license plate goes that they have that's carbon fiber. Super cool. Probably one of my favorite things to kind of round out if you're changing carbon fiber on your car. And then the last piece is a 3-piece kit. It's basically a 5VM replica. So you're gonna get a front lip and you're gonna get the full rocker extensions. And the thing they throw in that GM doesn't on their 5VM kit is a carbon fiber high wing. So it's cheaper than the full GM kit and you get a wing. So that's 2 good points about that. We have a couple of those in stock as well. Be sure to go through the website, look at all those. And if you're building a carbon fiber build or want to get some more of that to blend things in, they're great items to do that with. High quality stuff from APR. The only performance modification this month is from K&N. It is a drop-in air filter. This air filter is going to be $100 shipped. It's going to be typical K&N quality that we all know and love. Expect typical gains that we've shown in our air filter shootout from it. It wasn't around at the time for us to use in the shootout, but I don't see it making any difference than what we've kind of shown before. So take a look at that air filter if you're looking for something and you have a love for K&N. So, and for the last thing this month is gonna be a item for the car show guys, the guys who love chrome. So we worked with a vendor and we bought a bunch of their wheels and then we shipped them off and had them chromed. So be on the lookout for those. They're not on the website now by the time this video comes out, but by the end of March, early April, they are gonna drop on the website and I don't expect them to last. So keep clicking by, double check the wheel section. You're gonna love these. And that's it for March. So all the new products for March are done. We will see you in April. And if you're still watching this video, I have a question for you. What is there more of in the world? We're arguing this inside our shop right now. Are there more wheels in the world or are there more doors in the world? And wheels include anything, can be on a chair, can be on a lawnmower, a car, and doors can be cupboards and everything else. So comment below, like and subscribe, and let us know, are there more wheels or are there more doors?